When you need to scribble down important information fast, you can use S Pen right on your Samsung Galaxy lock screen. To start, remove S Pen from your phone. Tap Air Command. Settings. And switch on Screen Off Memos. The next time you remove the pen, you'll notice the lock screen turns black, enabling you to take notes. White is the default color, but you can choose a different shade after tapping on the white circle. Tap Pen Settings to change the stroke thickness. Tap the eraser if you need to correct. Tap Save. Now you can go to Samsung Notes to find what you drew up. So when you need to jot down that important note, go right to the lock screen with S Pen.